Hello paddling punters, I hope you're all well. I'm going out for a little paddle with the boys, just heading over to somewhere where I've never been before. Let's go. It's a nice day, it's just after the supposedly horrific snowfall we were supposed to be having, but it's bright and calm at the moment, and cold. The machine's here already. We're just having a quick recce. This is the Golden Lion pub, and this is the Aire Calder Navigation. Looks like quite a high drop in from here. Well, that could be a fun one. Especially as I'm in a new boat. Woohoo! The reflections under the bridge. Nice. We've found a drop-in point, and we're just going to move the cars a little bit for better access. Right, what do we have in here? Ooh, new boat. So it's a folding boat, this one of those origami style ones. Nice, eh? Right, Mr. 80 Quid's arrived. I've got the boat assembled. Time to get into the dry seat. Rafting is tuk-tuk, another plastic boat, another folder. And Dave's brought the Gumatex Rush. This is a nice boat. Gumatex. He's also noisy. Ooh, it's rocky. Not used to this, I'm used to the stability. We'll see how it goes. Oh, God almighty. God, that feels really tippy. I just need to loosen this foot thing a little bit. This does feel tippy. It's going to take me a little bit to get used to this. Yeah, this is making my bum twitch.
Give you a minute to get used to it.
Yeah, it's giving me a couple of minutes to get used to this. Yes, this does feel very tippy. Right, we're going in that direction then.
In the story, then.
You are?
Is it more twitching than
It feels it, but maybe that's just because I'm not used to this type of craft.
You've not been in story for a long time.
I haven't been in story for a while,
There's
yeah.
no point actually just pushing you then.
No. Go to move the camera, and obviously I just move my weight, and the boat moves to the side. That's like, ooh, heck. No, you don't really get that with the story. Subcrafts, yeah, the hybrids. So yeah, when I go to move the camera, ooh, the boat wobbles, it makes me feel really unstable. Well, that's just because I'm used to, as Raf said, I'm used to the hybrids, which are so stable on the water, and this one's just different. Ducks flying off, ducks. Incoming. What I can't do with this very easily is position the camera for some good angles like I normally can on the other boat, because the mount only gives me so much flexibility and direction with the camera. So I'll need to do something else with that. Don't know what yet. Nice to see the willows coming out. Some nice places to live down here. I wonder if they ever flood. Friendly dog back there.
You going to get Roger, do you want it on your terms?
Something along those lines. So this is the A1M we're going underneath at the moment. Big bridge. Oh, we found an interesting little thing to explore. We don't know what it is, so we're just going for a nosy. Have we got one? Excellent. Hey, look. Oh, excellent. We've got somewhere to get out and cook some food. Oh, fantastic. Oh, this is awesome. There's even steps down to it. Marvellous. Getting in and out of this certainly feels different to the inflatables as well. Oh, there's a bit of glass there. Better watch I don't pop me boat.
Yeah, that's a good thing. Just give it water for a minute.
It's a good job I had that buggy anchored.
You want to pull it out, yeah?
I was just going to tie it off, to be honest with you.
Are you?
Yeah.
You're right there then?
Yeah, it's fine. Dirty bastards. Let's go for a little walk around the corner where it's a bit more sheltered. Let's go and have a look and see who's been buried here. Maybe this is why there's nobody else here, because there's a big gravestone. What's this then? Alright, maybe not a gravestone. We've had a nice little pit stop, dined, and we haven't left any rubbish. Dirty bastards, because we're good boys. Our mum has taught us right. Still feels weird.
Are you ready then, Al?
Oh, but I must admit, I'm better in my own, with my own paddle. Yeah. Got the camera in a better position. Yeah, I'm happy with that. A lot happier with that. That's working. Daft sod. Does feel wobbly again now I've got back in. I'll get used to it again. I do feel better. I've got my own paddle out now, and this feels a lot better. It's the one at Tego. I didn't like that the one that this boat comes with. However, that will come in handy for some of the packraft stuff with it being 4-piece, because I can stash it in the bag. Saves me buying one. One of the things I've just noticed is, especially with having changed the paddle, that I'm travelling faster at a steady pace, you know, just at a steady paddle. So it's now pootling along at a steady 4 miles an hour, which feels a bit better.
Oh, I weren't doing anything.
No, of course you weren't.
Raph told me to do it.
Yeah, and you do everything Raph says.
Of course.
Couple of kids, I tell you.
The machine.
The machine. Oh hey, that's a big bugger. Got a big boat coming this way. Better head to the edge. Alright? He's coming a bit directly towards us. You are? Yeah, yeah, true. Going to be a bit of a wash on this one, so I'm just going to turn around so that I'm facing into it. Just need to face into this. Yeah, here we go. Still feel unsafe in this boat. But thankfully that wasn't too bad. We are bobbing along a bit though with the backwash. Ooh, feels weird. I'm not used to it. I don't like it. I don't like it. Another boat coming, narrow boat. Pootling along. Face it into the wash again. Oh God, there's boats everywhere. Oh no. Alright. Feels really tippy on those bloody bow waves. Yeah. I'll be game. What is that? Don't know what that is to there. The boys have found a way in. There they go, look. Hello.
Hello. Carry on, chap.
Where are you going? We don't know what this is. They're on the other side and I'm on this side. Right, so there's the end of it. There they are. Raft's going through. Lovely pretty area this. Very pretty.
Gotta be a bike on it.
That's a bit prettier though, isn't it, with the church and stuff? Not far to go now. Battery's going on the camera. It might end up going before I get back. So I'll just say thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this little trip out in this boat for the first time. I'm not fully comfortable in this yet. It might take me a few goes to get comfortable with it. It still feels really tippy and unstable to me. It's probably fine. It's just me and it makes me nervous. So yeah, I'm just so used to the more stable floated, inflatable craft. I don't think it's helped that I've sat on a cushion that maybe isn't the right cushion for this job. As I say, I do need to try a couple of other things out. The seat itself is naff, but that's what it is, that's what comes with it. And it's about making sure, it's about trying to get things right so that you feel okay. But yeah, if you like what I'm doing, you know what to do in terms of liking and subscribing and all that stuff. And if you don't like it,